look at what this could be. Yep. New mod alert coming up. Stay tuned.
Whatever it is, I've got just the cure for it.
YouTube, what's good? This is Mango392 back at it with another video. And yep, I'm at it again. Another mod has came through. This one took a little bit longer than usual, but that's okay. You know, with the pandemic and all this stuff going on in the world, it took a minute for it to come through. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that red button to subscribe to my channel. And over to the far right, go ahead and hit that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video or when I go live. But right now, I'm running late. As you can see in the very background right there, there's the mod. So I'm headed over to AudioRealm, which I'll put a video description of what they did to me right above on the right hand side. I'm getting ready to head over to their shop right now, get this mod put on, and then we'll talk about it later. So come take a ride with me, guys, and I'll hit you back when I get there. Peace. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the background, I just came back from AudioRealm. AudioRealm is off in the distance back there. So they did my mod. Now this mod, guys, that I'm getting ready to show you is nothing spectacular or new. It took me quite a while to do it because I just wasn't fond of it or didn't like it. But after I seen it on so many videos and so many of the new Scatpacks that are out, including the Hellcats, it really started to grow on me. So what I did was I took it to a whole nother level, and it turned out pretty good. So you guys tell me what you think about it. Like I said, it's nothing really spectacular or, you know, fancy. Like I said, I'm still sticking with my same realm of the orange and black, just making it pop in certain areas of the car. So that's what I'm doing right now. So anyways, enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did to the car. All right, guys, here's what it is. So I changed out the front grille of my car. Shouts out to Merrick Motorsports. I believe they're out there in Las Vegas. And I just changed it out to the 2019 grille. And man, I'm gonna tell you guys, man, it's awesome what my vision is with this car. This worked out perfect. So pretty much, as you guys know, it's the 2019 grille for the Scatpacks, and I believe the Hellcats as well. So what they did was they painted the inlets to match the color of my car, gold mango. And man, I'm gonna tell you guys, man, it's awesome. It's awesome, man. I love the vision that I'm putting into this car now, which is, you know, you got the black and certain areas I'm making the orange just pop out. And these inlets being painted the color of my car, I can't say enough about it, but man, it turned out real good, man. It turned out real good. So like I said, shouts out to Merrick Motorsports. They painted the inlets to match the color of my car, and that turned out real well. Also, if you guys can comment down below and let me know what you think, if I should add the Scatpack emblem B. Some people saying it looks just clean without an emblem on it. I kind of miss it, I guess, from my old grill that I had on there, but I don't know. Give me you guys' thoughts, man, because I could jump on eBay, I could jump on Amazon and just order one and just have it, you know, super glued to the grill, and boom, it's right there. So you guys let me know what you think. I'm really thinking about just adding the emblem to it. But in another case, looking at it, this thing looks mean. It looks so different than I'm hoping you guys can see it, man, because even with the camera, it's really not doing no justice, man. But this came out just the way I like it and anticipate it. And like I said, to match my vision of the orange and black popping out, this thing is really coming along. So you guys let me know what you think of me adding the emblem to the front, or if I should leave it clean. But I'm thinking more or less I might I might just go ahead and order the emblem and, you know, just put it on. But yeah, that's the mod, guys. That is the mod, and I'm super happy with it. Do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash that red button to subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video, and go live on live stream with YouTube. But in the background over there, shouts out to Yasir and AudioRealm here in National City. They did super work, man. They did work on my car previously before, and I'll put a link up to it, a link up here on the right hand side of the video of the previous work that I did. So if you're ever in the San Diego area, they do everything, man. He just told me a couple of minutes ago he's in the detailing business. He's gonna do some other stuff for my car as well too. So shouts out to AudioRealm and Yasir. I'll put all his information in the description below. So if you're in the National City area in San Diego, please reach out to him, man. Tell him I sent you, and guaranteed the work will be superb. You will be super happy with it. But anyway, guys, that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for some more. I got some more mods coming in. The next one I can tell you, I'm gonna go ahead and get some brakes. Being though I got the rims, I'm gonna go ahead and get the power stops and change out the Brembo brakes and go for ceramic pads, so my rims won't look terrible and I won't be all day scrubbing them trying to get them clean. But that's the next mod that's coming in, so I'm ordering those. And then I got a special mod as well coming in as well too, that I think you guys will love as well. But just stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And guys, don't forget, let me know what I should do with that emblem. Should I stick that emblem back on there or just leave it clean as it is? But anyway, guys, thanks for the support of the channel. I'm on the road to 1,500. After 1,500 is 2,000, and sky's the limit after that, as Mozzie would say. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Until next time, peace.